Hare Krishna devotees. We are at a very holy place. This is Paramanand Puri Kuwa. This place is actually the Bhajan Kutir of Paramanand Puri. Srila Paramanand Puri was a very great associate of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He is Uddhava in Krishna Leela, comes as Paramanand Puri in Mahaprabhu's Leela. So we all know that how Uddhava was so dear to the Lord. Similarly, Paramanand Puri was very dear to Lord Chaitanya. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu met Paramanand Puri in a place called Rishabh Parvat in close to Madurai in South India, and Mahaprabhu invited him to come to Jagannath Puri. And when Mahaprabhu comes back from the South Indian tour to Jagannath Puri, Paramanand Puri comes and he's there till the end of Mahaprabhu's pastimes. So Mahaprabhu loved Paramanand Puri so much. So this is the small ashram of Paramanand Puri that is still maintained here. And this is the divine well of Paramanand Puri. I'll just show you all the darshan of this well. There you can see the waters like this. One time Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the Chaitanya Bhagavat explains this. So Mahaprabhu comes here along with his associates and he's asking Paramanand Puri, how is the water in your well? So Paramanand Puri tells the Lord, my dear Lord, it's very, very dirty, not fit for drinking. So Mahaprabhu, he says, Lord Jagannath is very miserly. Jagannath has purposely made this water dirty so that no one drinks it. Because Jagannath knows that if anyone drinks this water of Paramanand Puri's well, they will immediately get Krishna Prem. They will attain liberation. So Mahaprabhu at that time, he raised his hands in the sky, both his hands, and he said, my dear Lord Jagannath, if you so desire, please fill this well with the water of Ganga. So the Ganga that flows in Patal is called Bhogavati Ganga. So Mahaprabhu says, my dear Jagannath, please fill this well with Bhogavati Ganga. And Mahaprabhu says this and goes back. Next day in the morning, to the astonishment of all the devotees, this well, which was so dirty, unfit for drinking this water, suddenly becomes the most amazing, pure, crystal clear water. So with Mahaprabhu's order, Ganga is ultimately Krishna's, Mahaprabhu's servant. She is Lord Chaitanya's Dasi. So she entered into this well. So Ganga is present in Jagannath Puri in two forms. One is in Shweta Ganga and other is Paramanand Puri Kuwa. And all the devotees became so happy. Mahaprabhu came and Mahaprabhu bathed in this well and Mahaprabhu drank this water of this well. And Mahaprabhu said, any devotee who takes a bath in this well or drinks the water of this well immediately will attain Krishna Prem. So that is Mahaprabhu's mercy. So this is a very divine place. Previously there was a dismantled, but this is a very, very holy tirtha for all the Vaishnavas. Paramanand Puri was so very dear to Mahaprabhu. So this is the water from this well of Paramanand Puri, the divine water that can give Krishna Prem, non-different than Ganga. So it is that, once in your lifetime at least, you all should try to visit this place. It is on the Loknath Temple Road, very close to Jagannath Puri Temple. So please do come here and please take blessings of Paramanand Puri. Srila Paramanand Puri ki jai. Paramanand Puri Kuwa ki jai. Hare Krishna.